Market participants voiced doubts that the new deal on output cuts reached by OPEC and allies this Sunday will solve the problem of innovative oversupply. There was oil is trading with losses today. Brent plunged to $28 per barrel, dragging down by the ruble as well. Yesterday, in the late session, Brent managed to break through the mark of $30 per barrel. But on Wednesday, Brent crude settled below this critical level and were steadily heading to the downside. WTI crude was also under pressure, having settled at $19.70 per barrel in the early trade. The new deal on production cuts will come into force in May. Meanwhile, the market is flooded with cheap oil, and the energy demand continues to slump amid worldwide lockdown due to coronavirus pandemic. Traders currently don't see any reasons for optimism. Besides, investors fear that even a record deal to curb supply will not restore the balance in the market. Brent faces strong support at the level of $27 per barrel, and the price is very likely to test this level during today's session. In the meantime, rising US indexes could help prevent oil from further drop. Today, however, the indexes were slightly down. Oil traders are looking ahead to official industry data on oil inventories in the United States. Yesterday, the American Petroleum Institute forecast a build of 13.1 million barrels. Oil prices may be driven by the data on daily oil production. It seems that the rise in US crude stockpiles is now perceived by the traders as a positive factor. Oil inventories are increasing, which means that there is still extra space for storing oil reserves. Earlier, it was reported that full oil storages served as the main reason for cutting production in the United States. The ruble's trajectory surprised the traders. Yesterday, it didn't show any strong reaction to the oil's decline. The ruble is holding steadily, probably thanks to the interventions from the Central Bank of Russia and favorable conditions for placing federal loan bonds. Hopefully, next auctions held by the Russia's Ministry of Finance will also be successful. Today, the ruble retreated from the 73 mark after holding there firm in the previous sessions. The dollar-ruble pair broke through the level of 74 and continued to move upwards. If this trend persists, the ruble may quickly give up all its early gains. Starting from April, it managed to win back almost half of the losses from March on rising risk appetite and stabilizing oil prices. In the near future, the Russian currency is likely to strengthen only after some positive signs appear that the pandemic is slowing down. Besides, lifting the restrictions and stopping the lockdown in many countries may help support the ruble, as it will spur the demand for oil. Today, markets will focus on the data on weekly inflation rate in Russia, along with a press conference given by the head of the Bank of Russia on Friday. It may give traders a hint on future policy regarding the key interest rate in April.